In this video, we are going to see that if we want to fix this kind of error, that whenever you are trying to access any particular application or a software, and it will continue to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, even though you have clicked multiple times to yes, but still it shows you the same message over and over again and nothing is working for you. Here's how you can resolve this. So what we can do here is just open up the start menu, and this is related to user access control settings. So let's write user access. You will see this kind of flag kind of icon. Just click here. Now you can see that it might be set to always notify. So that might be the problem. So whatever changes you make, you can adjust it by just sliding it down, sliding it up. And whenever we click OK, it will ask you to confirm this, like this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click yes. So even then, if it is causing you problems, so what you can do is just go again in user access control account, go in there, set it to never notify, click OK and click yes. After that, you might need to restart your PC until it works and then try to access that software or that application again, and that should work for you. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.